Imagine you are driving down the highway and suddenly your gas pedal stops responding, or your car goes into a restrictive limp mode where you can barely accelerate. It is terrifying. And if you are seeing the P060E code, you are dealing with a serious internal performance error in your car's computer related to the throttle position. Unlike older cars with a cable, modern cars use a drive-by-wire system. Your gas pedal sends an electrical signal to the computer, which then tells the throttle body to open. This code means the main computer, the PCM, has run a self-test and found a mismatch or an internal failure regarding that throttle signal. It is basically saying, I do not trust the data I am seeing, so it shuts things down for safety. Diagnosing this is tough, because it often points to the computer itself. But do not jump to that conclusion yet. You need to rule out the external factors first. If you have other codes for the throttle body or the pedal sensor, fix those first. Check your battery voltage and your grounds. A loose ground wire can cause voltage spikes that confuse the computer and trigger this code. You will want to use a digital volt-ohm meter to check the resistance on your pedal sensors and throttle body. If all the wiring is perfect and the sensors test out fine, then you are likely looking at a bad controller or a programming error. This often requires reprogramming the module or replacing it entirely, which might mean a trip to a shop that has the specific software tools. But checking your fuses, relays, and ground connections costs you nothing and could save you a massive repair bill.